This is Michael Holzmeister. I'm a route manager with Arbor-Nomics Turf in Marietta, Georgia. One of the things we have to be aware of is our customers doing maintenance on their yards. Right here we've got a place where this customer had a tree and they removed it, try to get the turf to grow a little better, and they've covered up the hole left by the tree with sod. So we need to make sure before we go and spray any herbicide that the sod is firmly rooted down to the ground. We come over here, check it out, and we can just pick it up. That means no herbicide. So rather than putting the herbicide down, go ahead and I add a starter fertilizer, high potassium, high phosphorus with some nitrogen in it to help the sod take root and get going for the springtime. And once it takes root, we'll go ahead and put the weed control on it